Shut it off. Alright, Patrick, this is how we're going to show you how to do it. Here. Your Zoom is too out too much. Alright, Patrick, to do this, you got to take off this, pull out.
Don't do that.
Whichever way you got to do to get out the light. You take out the light. Once your light is out, are you recording? Once your light is out, here. You gotta take out this one right here. Usually some are just turned on or plugged in. You just turn it out. And that's it. You're not even recording nothing, you're watching me, dude. And then you take out the bowl. That's all you gotta do. Now, you guys see zoomed in or something? I don't know what you gotta do, but you're not even recording anything.
Yeah, I can do his iPod.
These are the HIDs, okay? You take it. Are you watching me or what? You gotta look at the camera, dude.
Oh, yeah.
You're putting it here.
You know, I don't know how to send this to YouTube.
I'll do it.
Or Facebook. Alright, Patrick, this is what now it looks like, okay? You know, your two wires, your positive and your neutral, and then the HIDs in here. Stop watching me. Look at the camera to watch me, dude. You don't do it. This is your bars. Right here. Your wires for the HID. This is your power cable. This is connection to the bars. There's only one way that connects. You go like that. This will be your power right here. And this is the cable to hook it up. This will be for the plug-in, okay? You plug this in here like this. And you plug this in here like this. With the positive and negative. You go right here. You take your plug. You push in one side like this. Make sure it goes all the way through. Alright? There's the other one. You push this. Make sure it goes all the way through. There goes your plug. This plug goes into the outlet. Ethan, turn on the power. The light, just on the light. I think he'll not do that.
Now, we got the power on. You can use a voltmeter, you don't have to. So you check which one's power and which one's negative. There you go. There you go. Alright, this is my power and that's my negative. So I go in and plug it in. Alright, Pat. After everything's plugged in,
they say can be predicted by the sound of his or her voice.
you tape this right here. This connection is the only thing you need to tape. Everything else you can zip tie to the car, you could zip tie to the wall, anything, okay? After you got your connection all in, you put everything inside here, into a little hole, into a compartment, whatever you can find, and your HID is done.
Therefore, G. Joe Johnson, Shell Air, cheers. It's Smart Recruiting information on your ear, and a little bit about My Brand Smart USA. I call it My Brand Smart because I feel like everything that I need, and they do.
Is your friend? Stand back.
When you start to see certain
Put this in here.
how they walk it down, you're going to be blown away how they have all the unique players, plastic TV machine there, but also when it comes to appliances and other stereo equipment, everything that you need is Brand Smart USA. My Brand Smart USA. Don't be flexible how they buy. They got headphones there, HD, screen TVs, big TVs too, Blu-rays, DVD players, outdoor speakers, cheap like rock. They got the 3D television. They're available. Cell phone.
Back last.
It's a smart. And it's Brand Smart USA. That's really good. It's Brand Smart USA. My Brand Smart USA. A 585 Palm Beach Lake Boulevard. Tell Harper Crazy. Radio Burger King is now the value and flavor.
And I sold it for $8.
That's why Burger King.
I'm going to back it out.
Back for only $4.99. Forward, delicious, easy share burger, small fries, and a small drink for $4.99.